Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily download and install HP LaserJet M1005 MFP printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. So eventually, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to use the search bar here and type for HP LaserJet space M1005 printer driver. Okay, so don't forget also to put an MFP before printer driver. Once you're done typing, hit the enter key, and in that way you'll be redirected to this one. So please proceed to this, which is under the support.hp.com, which is an official website for HP support. All you need to do is you need to click on it. And eventually you would be able to see this kind of window. All you need to do is you need to scroll down, and under the driver product installation software, you can see there and download option, which is for HP LaserJet M1005. All you need to do is you need to click on this download, and eventually it will now start on the downloading process. So just have to navigate at the upper right side of that. You can see there a download icon. Just have to wait until this would be completed before we can continue to the installation. Once you're done, just click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed or saved to. So the next step that you need to do is you need to click on this cut icon. Close the window as well as this one and make a right click here at the desktop and go with the spaced icon. So in a few moments, it will be successfully moved here to the desktop. The next step that we need to do is we need to make a right click on the application. And from here, you need to scroll down. Okay, and wait for the second to the last option would be ready. And once it is being set here, you need to proceed with this extract to. Okay. And the moment you do it, it will now start on the extraction. So we just have to wait until this would be done. Once done, please proceed to the File Explorer. Okay. And at the left pane of that, move it there and go with the desktop. And you will be able to see the extracted file being placed here at the desktop. Once you're good, you can now close the window. Okay. So just have to close the window. You just have to wait until it will be successfully closed. Once closed, please directly proceed at the start icon. Please make a right click here and scroll up and click on the settings. So we just have to wait until the settings window would be ready. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So from here, please proceed at the left side of that. You can see there Bluetooth and devices. And from here at the Bluetooth and devices, please select for devices to bring up the devices settings. So just have to scroll down and locate with more devices and printer settings. And eventually you'll be able to see a window like this. Please proceed to the top of that. You can see their other printer. Click on it and it will show this kind of window would show. Go with the printer that I want is enlisted and go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next and it will ask you to use an existing port. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So it could be 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Once you're good, please click on next. Go with have disk browse. And from here, you need to directly proceed to the desktop since our extracted file is being located there and scroll down and locate to this one. So just have to double tap to it and please scroll down and choose among of this three. In my case, I'll be using this one or you can either use this one. So click on open, click on OK, and it will show up here. So go with next, click on next, go with next once again. It will now start on the installation. We just have to wait for a few, couple of minutes. And once you're done, go with next for allowing for printer sharing and go with finished. And there you have it. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet M1005 in your printer drive. I mean, in your printer driver here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.